Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, TransferTradeSolutions.com on a Friday. This is 22nd August. Um, Big rally, obviously. Don't Everybody obviously knows that because of the Powell speech. Everybody is now anticipating that there's going to be a rate cut. He said May, but the market is reacting like it's a done deal. Probably it is, but you never know. We still have a jobs number. We still have some inflation data in front of that meeting, so that could throw a monkey wrench into the works. But for now, it looks like the market is obviously rallying. Now, interesting. The big performer today was the Russell because of the interest rate sensitivity that I talk about that with my members all the time. So the best performer today was the Russell. You can see that. Now, interestingly, it is right up against supply. We'll see if this actually causes it to roll over or we make a new high. We're not that far from a new high. The underperformer was the NASDAQ, right? So the mega caps are still not pulling their weight. And by the way, we cannot go a lot higher unless the mega caps start catching up. So there may be a catch-up trade in the mega caps here, and then the S&P did pull back off of that supply. But I suspect that we're going to make another new high. Now, the thing is, every time we've made a new high, we've pulled back. So I think that could be the case here, especially if the mega caps can't pick up. We've got NVIDIA next week. Obviously, the Dow made a new high, and Bitcoin bounced nicely off of that demand zone and back to the middle part of this range. And we'll see. Also of note is the VIX down to 14.5, 14. We haven't seen that for a while, and rates did move lower, but, and here's the big but, nothing to change the overall dynamics. So again, the idea that Fed lowering rates is going to lower mortgage rates, that could be the case. We don't know, but last time they lowered rates, the 10-year yields actually went up, bonds sold off. So it's still not a given that that rates are going to come down, but we'll see. There's no really change in the dynamic there. And the biggest move here came from the dollar. Now the question is the dollar now finally going to break down and get down to 96? Obviously, we will find out, and obviously that has a lot of implications for the metals. In fact, the metals got a little boost from that, gold and silver off the weaker dollar. We'll see if that also takes silver and makes a new high. Nat gas just cannot get any kind of traction. Looking at the longer term chart, looks like nat gas may be headed back down. It's getting pretty overdone here, but you just never know with nat gas. If it breaks 270, you literally got the 250 and so on and so forth. It's kind of got a little bit of a channel, negative, kind of a downward looking channel here. So clearly, we'll see if there's any bottom in sight on that thing. And then the grains, I've been talking about that extensively. Soybeans could be poised for a breakout in the following weeks. And corn also looks pretty good right here off of that bottom. So we will see if that pans out also. So overall, again, the expectation for a dovish, I think a lot of people maybe were caught off sides, but the question is this again a bull trap, or are we going to get some follow through next week? We will obviously find out, and then NVIDIA and all the data coming out the following week is going to really basically solidify that notion. For now, you still have some supply zones in the NASDAQ, in the Russell, and I think S&P probably goes and makes a new high. So we'll go from there. Okay. All right. Have a great weekend. Take care. Give me a thumbs up. Sign up for the newsletter. I'll be writing about this stuff over the weekend. And so if you want to sign up for the newsletter, go ahead in the link below. Take care.